Petty cash, search from scratch for beginners. So, what is petty cash? Petty cash is a small and fixed amount of cash kept on hand for specific, minor expenses such as office supplies, postage, or employee reimbursements. The purpose of petty cash is to intend for specific, predefined purposes with strict guidelines on usage. The scope of petty cash is limited to specific, predetermined expenses, preventing the misuse of funds for purposes other than those designated. The control of petty cash is typically under strict control and supervision, with designated custodians responsible for managing and disbursing funds. The funding of petty cash is a fixed amount that is replenished periodically based on actual usage and submission of receipts. The documentation of petty cash requires detailed records and receipts for every transaction, fostering accountability and transparency. The accountability of petty cash is usually assigned to a specific individual or department, promoting individual responsibility and tracking of expenses. The replenishment process of petty cash requires a formal request for replenishment, often accompanied by a review of receipts and documentation. Petty cash is less flexible due to specific allocation of funds, ensuring that the money is used only for its intended purposes. The monitoring of petty cash is regularly audited to ensure compliance with established guidelines and to identify any discrepancies in fund usage. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.